And now we're in front of Fort Stanwix. Once again, the clouds are pretty cool looking. Definitely somewhat of a cold front moving in. That's why we got the clouds. And it will be cool out tonight. But we're supposed to get rain Wednesday night. But the wind's going in the direction of a cold front, which is west to east. And you got St. Peter's Church right there, the old City Hall building next to it. You can't really see it, but that parking garage right there will soon be knocked down, which means the overhead view of Fort Stanwix, you won't have any. Unless you use a aerial vehicle, a drone. And down that way you got Black River Boulevard, East Dominic Street. Pretty cool looking though. And right behind me you got the Willette Center, which is the Fort Stanwix Visitor Center. Got a lot of fascinating artifacts in there. Very picturesque. And I hear an ambulance. Got a big dark cloud over St. Peter's Church. It kind of looks like something just exploded in the background.